Hi guys, my name is Princess Sparkle and I'm going to show you how to make an Afghan recipe. It's called biryani and this is part 1. And if you haven't seen my chibi video, it's how to draw chibi. Well, I recommend watching that. So, anyway. Ingredients are all-purpose flour. You'll need 2 teaspoons of dry yeast. You'll need 2 cups of water, and you'll need an egg. You'll also need some leeks. So first, what you're going to do is you're going to get your bowl. And then you're going to pour some all-purpose flour. And then you're going to add your 2 teaspoons of yeast. Then you're going to add your 2 cups of water. And you're going to try to mix it with your hands and try to get it that perfect moist of dough until it gets that dough look. Kind of. And then you're gonna get your dough, and then you're gonna shape it into a ball. I have a ball of dough right here, and you're gonna add some flour onto it. So like you're gonna take your flour, rub it on, and then go like that. And I have a plate full of them. You're gonna set that aside, and you're gonna take your leeks and you're gonna blend them. So I have some blended leeks right here. Oh, I also forgot something else in the ingredients. You're gonna need your rolling pins too. So now, this is the end of part 1, guys. I hope you subscribe, and bye, guys.